What's the news today, Mandy?
Breaking news, there's gonna be flood in Eminem's and St. Louis.
How high?
What's the name of the flood?
And Philippines. And
So we're all gonna be flooded.
Laos. And Thailand.
What else? Is there another
And the
breaking
name
news?
of the flood is Flado.
Flado?
Flado. But there's a superhero coming and it's a flood girl that's named Amanda Laws and it's me.
Okay, you raise
Of
your hand.
course, I'm a real-
Anong Tagalog ng cat?
That's so easy, pusa.
Wow. Okay, anong Tagalog ng kuya? Brother.
Brother, kuya.
Galing. Galing. How about sister?
Ate.
Wala, galing na. Okay, I guess,
Papa.
how about father?
Tatay.
Oh, wow, very good na. How about mother?
Nanay.
Good.
Grand.
Fart.
Tae.
That's po. How about the fart? Okay, how about pig?
Pig baboy.
Whoa. Okay, this one. Are you ready for this one? How about dragon?
Mama.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Is it nanay?
You're gonna... Pagod ka kay mama. How about lion?
Papa?
By me, that's not...
Is it that
Why
one?
did you call me lion? How about tiger? Come on, tiger.
Mandio?
How about ghost?
Christmas?
No. Okay.
But you say that I can say those words.
What else do you know?
Cat.
It's pusa already. Okay, I guess that's it, right?
Because you say
Say
that
bye.
I can say cat.
Why are you crying? Okay, say bye.
No.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
No.
Don't know? Look at your back. Wants to play? Wants to play there?
I want to play there, but it's closed.
Okay, say bye, guys. Tell them to learn their Tagalogs.
No, never learn Tagalog.
Oh my God, you're so mean.
Because your parents may trick you. If you want to learn Tagalog, if they say that you can say nanay, tatay,
Nanay,
in dragon,
And
then you will be sad.
Oh,
That's what Papa did to me.
oh man, look at that. So sad.